Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Slack CLI. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to go into a channel where we want to add the CLI. Now we can tap on Connect Apps. Then in the top right corner, we tap on the parallel lines, then on Build. And here if we scroll down, we find under the Deploy Ideas Faster section, Slack CLI. Now if we tap on this, we are going to be presented with a list of steps and description of how to use Slack CLI. And yeah, if we just read through this and follow the indicated steps, we can start using this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.